This homeowner was having an issue with a raccoon in his attic. If you look closely, you can see the paw prints here. What had happened was the raccoon pulled apart the soffit, and the homeowner put it back together. This was actually a bad idea because it wound up trapping the raccoon in the attic. After the raccoon was trapped inside, it caused more damage to another area of the home. This trap here was actually put up by a friend of the homeowner, and it was installed incorrectly. It isn't tagged properly, it's not covered, there's an open can of dog food and cat food, and there are marshmallows everywhere. We're going to remove this trap, clean up the area, and set up our exclusion devices. You can see we set up a one-way here and placed 2 baited traps nearby. The one-way is going to allow the raccoon to safely leave the attic, but it's designed to prevent the raccoon from getting back in. Once the raccoon is safely removed, we're going to relocate it to a new humane location, properly seal up the area, and sanitize and deodorize the attic.